Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to attach files to a PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to enhance any PDF document with extra resources, whether it's a spreadsheet, an image, or even another PDF, making your files more useful and professional. This is a fantastic skill for sharing supporting documents, collaborating on projects, or just keeping important info neatly together in one place. Let's dive in. To start, open up your PDF with Adobe Acrobat Pro. Take a moment to make sure it's the file you want to work with, because this is the document where you'll be adding your attachments. If you're new to Acrobat, you'll notice a bunch of tools along the right-hand side and at the top. These are where all the powerful editing options live. Now, look for the tool labeled Edit PDF in the right-hand pane, or sometimes across the top. It's a pretty central feature, so you shouldn't have much trouble spotting it. Go ahead and click Edit PDF. What you're doing here is basically unlocking editing mode for your document, which lets you do more than just read or sign the file. With the editing toolbar now active, shift your focus to the top of the window. You'll see several options. Find and click on the one marked More. This option is where Acrobat keeps some of the less common but super useful features, like attaching files. Clicking on More will give you a drop-down menu, and in that list, you'll want to select Attach File. Attaching a file might sound technical, but it's actually pretty straightforward. When you pick Attach File, a dialog box pops up called Add Files. This is where you browse your computer for the file you want to add. Maybe it's an Excel sheet that supports your report, a JPEG image for visual reference, or a presentation you want to include alongside meeting notes. If you've got lots of files on your desktop or tucked away in folders, don't worry. The dialog box works just like any regular file picker. So, find your file, click on it, and then hit Open. At this point, Acrobat attaches your chosen file to the PDF, almost like tucking an extra note inside an envelope. You'll see a new icon or listing in the Attachments panel, usually to the right of your document. If you don't see the panel right away, sometimes you might need to expand it or look under a tab. Think of it like opening a drawer to check what's inside. Give the attached file a quick click just to make sure it's there. You'll often see its name and maybe a little preview. Before you wrap up, there's a crucial final step. Save your PDF. That's what really locks in the changes and makes sure your attachment is part of the document. Just go up to File and hit Save, or use Ctrl+S on your keyboard if you like shortcuts. If you're working on a shared network or cloud service, saving is especially important so others see the updated version. And that's it. You've successfully attached a file to your PDF with Adobe Acrobat Pro. Whether you're sharing complex projects, adding invoices to contracts, or keeping reference materials together, this feature is a real time saver. If anything didn't look exactly right as you followed along, don't worry. Tool layouts sometimes shift with updates, but the process stays mostly the same. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a like and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another Adobe trick you want to learn. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on more easy practical guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.